Hey there YouTube, Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com is my website. Go ahead and go there, check it out, but not right now. Stick around. I'm going to show you how you can fix your WordPress site, because unfortunately Facebook has gone and broke it. I'm going to show you a cool plugin that's being launched tomorrow that you can use to fix your WordPress website in just 10 seconds. So if you take posts off of Facebook or Instagram and embed them into your WordPress website, those are no longer working. On the 24th of October, Facebook changed some stuff and screwed everything up. Facebook's kind of good at that. So here we are on my bonus page. So I'm going to show you this cool plugin that you can get, and you can fix that problem in just a little over 10 seconds. But for right now, like I said, we are on the bonus page. The link to the bonus page is down in the description below the video. Right down there, take a look. It's right down there. Click on it. It's going to take you to this page where you can click on these big kind of gold yellow buttons. It'll take you to the sales page where you can pick up this plugin and fix your site. So this is a problem if you embed from Facebook, like create Facebook or Instagram posts and then embed them into your website. As far as I know, it's not vice versa. So if you create posts and stuff on your website and link them into Facebook, that's still working. It's if you do it the other way around. And so if that is you, and if you have done a whole bunch of stuff like that, and you have a website full of embedded posts and Instagram and Facebook posts, then those are probably not working right, and you may not even know it. If you're not someone who actually gets on their website and looks at it very often, you may not have even realized that this was an issue. So what this is, like I said, it's a plugin. It's going to take you just 10 seconds to download it and then activate it, and it's going to fix everything for you. So there you go. Easy peasy. Fix your site. And like I said, we're on the bonus page. We're going to go over the upsells and the pricing funnel, and then we will jump into the bonuses. There's a sneak peek real fast, and we'll do that here in a second, so stick around. Welcome back. This is my bonus page. We're going to go over the bonuses real fast, but you're going to want to stick around and see what this plugin can do for you. So let's cruise on down to the bonuses real fast, because I know a lot of you folks are just out there bonus hunting. And so these are the bonuses I have to offer you today. And as you can see, and I've explained it before, if you haven't seen any of my videos, you see John O. Armstrong's name down here. I am a member of a training program called Ministry of Freedom, and he provides these pages and the bonuses as a done-for-you campaign for us to be able to use for these review videos that we do. And of course, you know, some of my other videos, they don't have all these done for you. I do them myself, but you know, some of these, they provide them for us. So hey, why go through the work of doing it all yourself when you can use what they give you? That's smart, right? Bonus number 1, access to Atomic DFY. And then what we have for bonus number 2 is how to build a WordPress site from scratch. And I've built a few, and they aren't as easy as you would think, and it's always nice to have some tutorials to help you get that all done. It took me days to figure it out, and now it's not so bad, but you know, just starting out, if you don't know anything about it, it'll take you a while. So this is going to help you do that from scratch in no time flat. Bonus number 3 are 3 ways to monetize your websites. So, I mean, what's the point in having a website? I mean, I suppose it's just for producing information and stuff, but hey, you know, you probably want to monetize that and earn a little bit of coin or scratch from this website, and this bonus will teach you how to do that. 3 different ways that you can do that. Bonus number 4, access to Aurora Pro, and this is only good for the first 24 hours, so you're going to want to take advantage of this. This product launches on the 30th, so you're going to want to jump on this that first day, which is tomorrow, Friday the 30th, and grab your copy so you can get access to Aurora Pro. And like I said, that's only good for the first 24 hours. And then, as usual, bonus number 5, all the vendor bonuses that are available. This is the sales page. And as you can see, it explains what's going on with Facebook. On the 24th, they did a massive change to their APIs on there, and it's screwing up 20 million websites. Leave it to Facebook. They are like this superpower. Hate it. Anyways, you just gotta deal with it. You know, if you want to get your content out there, Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms out there. So if you want people to see it, you gotta play by Facebook's rules. Anyways, and that goes for advertising too. And that, don't get me started. Anyways, so this is the sales page. It goes through, kind of explains what's going on, and there's ways you can fix this without this plugin. You can create Facebook as a developer. You got to create an app. You got to go through a whole bunch of stuff, and it takes you a while. It can take up to an hour to do this if you don't know what you're doing. But hey, if you get this plugin, you can get it done in 10 seconds. That's a no-brainer, right? So anyways, you're going to get this for $24, and the price is going to go up very soon. So jump on it, purchase it right away. So let's go ahead and take a look at the plugin, and we'll see how it works. Alright, so this is the developer of that plugin. I'm going to let him explain how it works. And so pay attention, and this is what it's going to do for you. And then we'll jump on over and we'll check out the pricing funnel, because who better to explain how it works than the developer. So, I mean, I don't do a lot of embedding of Facebook posts or Instagram posts on my websites. I do it the other way around. I'll create the content on the website and then post it to social media. But if you do it the other way, if you create a bunch of posts and you throw them on your website, you're in trouble right now. So you're going to need this plugin. So let's take a listen and see what it's all about.
And we created the one-click social plugin for you. Now with the one-click social plugin, you can actually just enable the social plugin here in just one click and connect your site to WordPress. Now let me show you what I mean by that. When you take some content from here, and because Facebook broke it, if you go and paste it in a WordPress post like this, it will not do anything. It will just look like normal text. But that is wrong. That is not how it should be. Now, once you enable the one-click social plugin on your site in just one click, that is how long it takes, just literally 5 seconds. You can go back and add a new post on your site. And now when you paste the Facebook post here, it instantly turns into a beautiful video. You can do the same thing with Instagram, you can do the same thing with Facebook, and all that social content will start showing up again for all your new posts and pages, as well as your older posts and pages as well. Now that is magical, and that is what you need to do right now to fix your site, because all your social content is gone. It's not visible on your sites anymore after October 24th. And once you add this plugin on your site, it will all come back. All your missing social traffic will come back to your site as well. And that is very, very important for you.
So there you go. That's from the launch dude himself. Let's go over the pricing funnel real fast, because I know you're going to probably want to get a hold of this if if your website has Facebook embedded stuff on there. You're going to need to fix it. So like I said earlier, it's a no-brainer. You're going to need this. So the pricing funnel is right here. It's $24, and that's the front end. You're going to get access to the powerful one-click social software and the training modules, but it's only good for one site. So if you have more than one site, you're going to want to get upsell number 1, which is One-Click Social Pro. That one's $37. The Pro version upgrade has more features like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest feeds into your site with an unlimited site upgrade. Now, upsell number 2 is the developer's license. It's $27. So now you can turn around and reach out to folks who have a website that happens to be broken. Send them an email, say, hey, I noticed your site's broken. You want me to fix it? Cha-ching! Make some money. Upsell number 3 is one-click social traffic. It's $37. You're going to get 10 times more traffic to your site. Upsell number 4 is social contact plugin. It is for making contact forms obsolete. And I know I've had problems with contact forms. There's so many different plugins, and a lot of them don't embed right. They don't communicate well with, depending on what autoresponder or mailing program you have, they don't communicate. There's a lot of integration issues and stuff, and so hopefully this will be something that'll help fix those things. And then finally, upsell number 5 is the reseller's license. It's $97. You can turn around and sell this to people as your own product. So there you have it. If you have a website that needs fixing, you're going to want to get at least the front end offer for $24. If you have more than one website, you're going to want to get upsell number 1 at $37. If you want to make some money selling it to people or fixing people's sites and turn it into an agency or a business in and of itself, you're going to want to get the developer's license. So at a minimum, you're going to want to maybe look at those first 3, upsell number 1, upsell number 2, and the front end offer. So enough of that. Let's go over the bonuses one more time, and then we're going to close this puppy out. And then you guys can get on about your day. And so can I, because I got things to do. I'm busy, busy, busy. All right, so once again, I got some bonuses for you. Bonus number 1, you're going to get access to Atomic DFY. Bonus number 2 is how to build a WordPress site from scratch. And if you subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell, I'm going to be posting some how-to videos to kind of help you build a site, some different tricks, some stuff, because I got a couple of websites that are they have a theme, and the theme doesn't allow you to start a blank page. You always end up with the header and the footer and the way the theme is set up, and you can't create a really good landing page that way, because with a landing page or a squeeze page, you want the focus on one thing, putting in your email address and squeezing that. That's why it's called a squeeze page. You're squeezing that info out of them, and then you're shooting them off to another offer or something, and then you can market to them. But a lot of these themes don't allow you to create that blank page that you can use Elementor, and I'll go over some other stuff I've learned about Elementor and teach you some stuff like that. So make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, because I'm gonna be posting some stuff real soon. Bonus number 3 are 3 ways to monetize your websites. That's the name of the game. Get your information out there, use it to get traffic, and direct that traffic to offers, your own product, whatever. It's there so you can try to help monetize that and earn a living from the internet. Bonus number 4 is good for 24 hours only, so jump on this offer right away. That is access to Aurora Pro, the first 24 hours only, so jump on it when it launches tomorrow, October 30th, the day before Halloween. The year is 2020. It's the worst year in history, right? Well, that might be a matter of opinion, but hey, it hasn't been a great one so far. Anyways, let's see. Bonus number 5 are all the vendor bonuses that are available. So that's all I got for you. Like I said, the link to this page is down in the description below. Click on any of these gold colored buttons. It's going to take you to that sales page where you can pick up that plugin to help fix your website. There you go. My name's Darrell Hammond. Thanks for stopping by. Click like. I'd appreciate that. We love engagement. It helps our videos, and I would appreciate it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Engagement. We all love engagement. This is a social world, so, be social. Let me know. Talk to me. What's going on? Let's see. And that's about it. That's all I got for you. You have a wonderful day, and we will see you later.